Hey there, welcome to today's YouTube video. So, here's the problem we're tackling. Someone tried to follow a guide to edit bookmark URLs using CSS, but it seems like the code provided stopped working. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, we have a solution for this hiccup. Let's dive into the solution now. So, the key here is to target the locations and keyword fields properly in the CSS. The updated code uses classes for the rows and assigns an ID for the field. By setting the visibility to visible and adding display block important, you'll get the desired outcome. For the location field, target hashtag editbmpanel_location field and .editbmpanel_location row. And for the keyword field, aim at hashtag editbmpanel_keyword field and editbmpanel_keyword row. This tweak should get things back on track. To sum it all up, we've addressed the CSS styling glitch that caused the bookmark URL editing to malfunction. By adjusting the visibility and display properties for the specific fields, you can once again seamlessly edit bookmark URLs. Problem solved. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy browsing!